quit. I quit YouTube. It's been 8 months of putting out content, 8 months of researching, 8 months of trying out different things. When I started this, I was like, maybe in the next 2 months, in the next 3 months, I'll get monetized. I'll start making money from YouTube. I'll have a brand for myself. But after all these months, nothing is working. The work I'm putting in, I'm not seeing anything, no views. Sometimes I spend 5 hours, 6 hours researching a particular topic, writing out a script, editing a particular video just for me to upload it online, and I get 10 views, 20 views. It's actually frustrating. I've come to the conclusion that probably this is not for me. This is actually probably not for me. I thought it would be easy, it's not that difficult, it's just content, but then after all these months of trying, sometimes I look at other creators, like I do research a lot on this platform. When I look at other creators, some of them in a month, they already monetize, some of them in 2 months. And I just feel like, why not me? What's the thing that I'm doing wrong? Or what am I not doing right? Is it how I'm editing my videos? Is it that what I'm saying is not good enough? I don't know. I see people putting out one and the same content and they're getting millions, thousands, hundreds and thousands of views. And I'm tired of pretending, guys. I'm tired of pretending like I'm okay, but I'm not. Maybe I should just stick to what I'm doing and forget about this YouTube of a thing. It's draining me. Sometimes if you guys noticed, I haven't posted in a while. Sometimes I feel like, why should I even record a video? Why should I even, when at the end of the day, it's just gonna get 20 views, 30 views, and it's actually frustrating, exhausting. You get to a point where you feel like, maybe this is not just for me. Maybe it's not just for me. I feel like quitting is just the best thing for me right now. I'm so tired. Sometimes sometimes, like for example, there's a particular day I uploaded a particular video, and in the first 24 hours, I got no view from it. And that video, I took my time. I think when you scroll through the video was, I think, about AI, using AI influencers to create content online. Even till now, that video has low views. I took time to record that video. I took hours to edit. That was one of the videos I expected it to go viral. That was one video that when I was doing, I was like, wow, this is something that the algorithm will like. This is something that the algorithm will push. The first 24 hours, I checked my analytics, nothing was showing. 0 views, nothing. I said to myself, maybe I should delete the video and re-upload. Nothing happened. Then I was like, maybe this is not just for me. I tried multiple times. Sometimes I'll go weeks without posting. I tried multiple times to put out content. But then again, same thing keep happening. I changed thumbnails. If you realize, when I started, my thumbnails were very random. I had to like say, okay, let me have a consistent theme of thumbnails. Maybe that's gonna work. I had to like try to figure out what kind of thumbnails to do. And you know, to create thumbnails takes time. Before I could get a particular structure of thumbnails, I had to redesign my thumbnails, try to work on my titles, try to work on improving my videos a little bit. Yet nothing worked. So probably quitting is the best option. Quitting believing I tried. I even got to 100 subscribers. But it's not the only option. It's not the only option I have, because I believe 100 of you is not a lot in YouTube sense, but in human perspective, if I look at it clearly, 100 people standing in front of me and clapping for me means a lot, will mean a lot to me, and that is what you guys are doing. You guys are the reason why I'm still here. You guys are the reason why I'll keep putting out content. You guys are the reason why I'll keep doing my best to bring out the best content. You guys are the reason why I'll keep improving on myself, and eventually when I get monetized, you all, my loyal subscribers, will be the first to get my monetization money, because this has not been easy for me. Sometimes I ask myself, why am I still doing this? Why don't I just forget about it? But then the resilience in me, the fact that just one video might impact somebody's life, or just one video might change somebody's life, is that thing that keeps me going. Is that thing. When I see some of your comments that say keep on going, like one day I was scrolling through my videos and I saw a particular comment. I was down so bad, and that comment cheered me up. So I'm not going to compare my journey with anybody. I've been comparing myself to other creators on this app, comparing what I'm doing wrong, what am I not doing right. And I believe one video will hit the algorithm one day, and all of us will smile together. So this is me saying, I'm not quitting. I'm here, and I'll keep on putting content, and you guys will hold me accountable every week. I'll make sure I put out content. No matter how bad my week is, I'll not let my mood get to me. I'll put out content, and eventually I'll build the brand that I want, and the brand that you guys will be proud of. You guys are on this journey with me, and I hope one day we'll get to smile together. Thank you all so much for supporting and believing in my journey. Thank you all very much for your likes, for your subscribing, for your comments, for everything. It means a lot to me.